Okay, students. Now today we will discuss Theorem 8.7 of Chapter 8, Quadrilateral for Class 9 from NCERT book. The statement of this theorem is, as we see here, if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. So, as we see here, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which it is given that the diagonals bisect each other. What is the meaning of this sentence? That means it is given that OA equal to OA, this part is equal to this part, OA equal to OC, and what? OB, this part equal to this part, and OB is equal to OD. Now, what we have to show, as per the statement of this theorem, we have to show ABCD is a parallelogram. Then what is sufficient to show that ABCD is a parallelogram? If we show that AB is parallel to, so if we show, यहाँ पर हम लिख लेते हैं, if we show AB parallel to CD and what? AD parallel to BC, then it is sufficient to show that ABCD is a parallelogram. So, let us try to find the congruency of these two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD. So, in proof part, we write in triangle AOB and triangle COD. What are the equal parts? Let us consider. OA is equal to OC. Why? Because it is given. O equal to OC. And what? OB equal to OD. This is also given. Okay. Now the angle included between these two sides, this angle and this angle. What do you think about these two angles? Angle AOB and angle what? COD. What do you think? They are also equal because they are vertically opposite angle. So, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by which criteria? Criteria हम देखते हैं. This is side, this is included angle, this is also again side, by SAS criteria. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Now by CPCT, what we find? Now by CPCT, angle ABO is equal to what? A, फिर हम B को ले रहे हैं, फिर O को ले रहे हैं, इस तरह से ABO is equal to angle CDO. That means ABO means this angle and CDO means this angle. This angle equal to this angle by CPCT, and this implies that AB parallel to CD. That means this implies that AB parallel to CD, and similarly we show that AD parallel to BC. That means by definition ABCD is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel by this and also equal. Why equal? If we find the value of AB, यहीं पर हम फाइंड कर लेते हैं. If we find AB equal to CD and similarly AD equal to BC, that means by definition ABCD is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel and equal. That means ABCD is a parallelogram. तो ये इस तरह से इस थ्योरम को हम प्रूफ कर सकते हैं. Now the theorem 8.8. What is the statement of this theorem? The statement is this: a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. That means in a quadrilateral, if the opposite sides are parallel and equal, then it will become a parallelogram. So first of all, draw a quadrilateral ABCD. So ABCD is a parallelogram and let us draw its diagonal. So let us draw its diagonal AC. So the diagonal AC is drawn, and this is construction part, as we told in earlier video. All the dotted lines are the construction part. So what is given? Given part, given that opposite sides are parallel and equal. That means AB equal to what? AB equal to CD and this AB equal to CD and AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD means this angle equal to this angle. Where it is necessary we use. And what we have to show? We have to show ABCD is a parallelogram. So let us discuss the congruency of these two triangles ABC and ADC. As we know that in theorem 8.1, the diagonal of a parallelogram divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles, but it is not a parallelogram. So we have to show ABC and CDA are congruent triangles. So in proof part, let us discuss in triangle ABC and triangle CDA. What are equal? AB equal to CD. Why? This is given. AB equal to CD and AC equal to CA, AC equal to CA. Why? This is common. And angle BAC, this angle BAC, angle BAC is equal to what? Angle DCA, DCA, angle DCA. Why? Because AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD. Because AB parallel to CD, so these two angles are alternate interior angles. You can also write alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So triangle ABC, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Why it is congruent? By which rule? By this is side, this is angle, and this is also side. So by side angle side rule, or you can say congruency criteria, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Now what we think about these two angles, this angle and this angle. Suppose we have to mark double mark. So this angle is angle ACB. So by CPCT, angle ACB is equal to angle CAD by CPCT. Okay, and this implies that, what implies that? कि BC parallel to DA, BC parallel to DA. So this implies that ABCD is a parallelogram? No. अभी हमको शो करना है कि BC इक्वल टू AD. तो यहां पर हम अगर लिखेंगे BC इक्वल टू, क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पर? AD. BC ले रहे हैं तो DA मिलेगा, DA मिल गया. तो इन दोनों कंडीशंस को मिलाकर हम कह सकते हैं कि ABCD इज ए पैरेललोग्राम. बिकॉज यहां पर दिखाई नहीं दिया है, थोड़ा सा इसको हम ऊपर कर देते हैं. ओके, तो यहां पर इन दोनों कंडीशंस को एक साथ मिलाकर हम बोल सकते हैं कि ABCD इज ए पैरेललोग्राम बिकॉज अपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल एंड इक्वल. इसके पहले वाले थ्योरम में हमने डिस्कस किया था, थ्योरम 8.7 में. थ्योरम 8.7 क्या था, उसको आप अगर फिर से पढ़ें तो वो था कि द डायगोनल, थ्योरम 8.7 नहीं था वो, थ्योरम अपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल. सो बाय डेफिनेशन ABCD इज पैरेलल. ओके, थैंक यू.